Today I'm going to show you one of the easiest tricks to get texture on your cake. Today we're using the back of a spoon. Yep, the back of a spoon. Welcome back to Shalee's Bakes Cakes. I've had a lot of people ask how we can make a simple, easy, but super elegant wedding cake, and I'm going to show you the easiest trick to make texture on this pretty wedding cake today. People will think it took you hours and hours, and you're going to be so surprised how easy yet effective this technique is. We just need a cake today. I've just filled my cake and I crumb coated it. Now we're gonna do the final coat on our cake. Just get that buttercream on, smooth it out as best you can. I'm just gonna use my cake scraper to smooth it out, but if you don't have a cake scraper, just use your knife and just smooth it out as best you can. Like I said, you'll see when we start this technique that my cake is not perfectly smooth. The edges aren't perfect. Nothing is perfect because we are adding texture. A lot of people ask how you get that pretty texture on those wedding cakes that you see. There are a lot of ways to achieve this texture. You can get a cake home that has a textured side, but that's also more expensive. So I'm showing you guys the most inexpensive but effective way to create texture on your cake. We are using the back of a spoon. Yes, just an ordinary kitchen spoon. You can see there's nothing cool about it. It's just a spoon. Everyone has a spoon in their kitchen, so I know that you guys can do this with your spoon. We started out, we made the cake as smooth as we could. It doesn't have to be perfect. And now we're just gonna use the back of our spoon to start adding some texture. You can see I'm just putting the back of our spoon right against the bottom of my cake, and now I'm just gonna push. Don't push hard, just a little bit of pressure, and spin that cake and keep pushing your spoon right into that buttercream. And we're just gonna keep going. We're gonna go all the way up to the top of this cake. If you don't have a turntable, you can just use the same spoon, but you'll just have to move your hand around it instead of just using the cake turner as you're going. Keep applying that pressure as we spin this cake, and you can see as we're going, you can see the texture starting to appear, and we're gonna go all the way up to the top. Also, another good tip for this, I got my spoon a little bit warm by running it under hot water, and that helps get that smooth, textured look. As you're going around the cake and you're noticing that you're not getting as good of a texture with the spoon, go back and run it under hot water again, come back and keep on going. And now we made it to the top. We're gonna do the exact same thing up here on the top. We're just gonna put the bottom of our spoon right on the top, and we're just gonna keep going all the way into the middle of our cake. So we're just gonna make a nice spiral right on top of our cake. If you go back and look at your cake and you see a few spots that you want it to have a little bit more texture, just go back with your spoon, go right over that little spot, and there you have it, you guys. You just made the cutest textured cake with the back of a spoon. I just added some Gerber daisies to finish off this look. And there you have it, guys. We just made a wedding cake with the back of a spoon. This technique is so much fun and it's so simple. Anybody can do this. Go in your kitchens, try it, and let me know how it goes. Thanks so much for watching here at Shalee's Bakes Cakes, and make sure to subscribe to my channel.